Welcome to this video about the climate and environmental crisis, a global problem we are facing today. In this video, we will talk about the impact of human beings on the planet, the importance of empathy towards living beings, and the possible solutions to address this crisis. Developing empathy towards living beings also makes us more aware of the issues facing vulnerable communities around the world who depend directly on the environment for their sustenance and survival. Therefore, we must be mindful of how our actions affect these communities and take steps to minimize any negative impact. The climate and environmental crisis is a problem that has been intensifying over time due to our actions and decisions as human beings. The emission of greenhouse gases and the degradation of the ozone layer are just some of the negative effects that result from our behavior on Earth. However, there is still hope if we take action now. One of the main causes of the climate and environmental crisis is the burning of fossil fuels to generate energy. This releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. In addition, deforestation and the expansion of agriculture and livestock are degrading natural ecosystems, affecting biodiversity and increasing greenhouse gas emissions. It is easy to feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of the climate and environmental crisis, but we must remember that we can make a difference. One way to do this is by developing empathy towards all living beings on our planet. We must recognize that all species, whether large or small, have vital importance in the ecological balance of our planet. We must act consciously and make informed decisions that benefit all creatures of the world. Developing empathy towards living beings also makes us more aware of the issues facing vulnerable communities around the world who depend directly on the environment for their sustenance and survival. Therefore, we must be mindful of how our actions affect these communities and take steps to minimize any negative impact.